in this video today, I'm going to be working on the hood, fixing the hood side, as you can see. And for people that know 32 Fords, they know that these are the 25 louver hood sides that were made late production, 32, supposedly only shipped to warmer climates. So you can see I got these about 10 years ago, and at the time they were going for about $4 grand. See, these are not nice ones. So I made this patch panel here on my bead roller. I'm going to be tuning that up a little bit better, making it a little nicer. Get that cut in and patched in today. That's what we're going to work on today. I am doing this by myself. My son is not here today to video me, so I'm doing my best here. This hood top is also part of that. I did get another better one on this side. So I'm going to get these to fit the grill shell better first here. And then I will work on getting that patch panel in. So I will do a few videos today, or a few videos tying everything together, or as I work on it, and we'll post this up. Thanks. Okay, so I'm working on the hood side patch panel. And I got that, see here, I got that ready to go in the car, ready to fit it to the hood. I ended up putting a rod, you can see that in there, put that in there and folded that over. Figured to give it a nice edge, some strength. It's a little bit of a pain because we kind of moved everything around, but I got it back pretty close, pretty happy with it. Let's see here, we'll set it on the car. And you can see this hood side is pretty wasted. And I didn't mention in my first video, but I got these off a BB truck, which is 1.5 tons. I got it about 10 years ago, 12 years ago maybe. Bought the whole truck because it had 25 liter hood sides on it. I need parts for my 34 pickup, so I bought this truck. Happened to have the 25 liter hood sides on it. Hung on to all those years. Never even thought I'd have a 32. I got a 32. And I know that, you know, you can save these things, or excuse me, I know you can buy them now. Pacific has them and Rotman has them, but when I can, I try to save used parts and original parts. So I'm going to put the work into these and try to get them saved. And hopefully in my next video, I will have the panel. We'll get that fitted and hopefully welded in. Okay, so I got the patch panel fit in place now where it's going to be. You can see I put the blue marking dicum, what they call it, I believe, and I'll scrap a line on there and cut that with the tin snips, which will give you a perfect line for TIG welding, perfect fit. Not my idea, stole that from Welding Speed Shop. Watched them chop a 32 deuce 3 window. Amazing, and learned a lot by watching that. But you can see the back here is showing the fit, and it looks like it's pretty close to what it was from the factory. Maybe a little bit different here, but other than that, it's pretty decent. And then you can see where I put some angle on there, just bent up some angles to hold this thing together while I was working on it, and it was really flopping around. You can also see that I had to weld 2 new pieces for the hinge on there, and then the edge, I had to weld a new edge on there on both sides. So, all right, I'm gonna get this traced out and tacked together, and let's do some welding. See what I'm doing here. Installing the hood hold downs. Using temporary screws here, so I can take it back off when I paint it, put rivets in it like it's supposed to have. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. That's cool, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Scratch my name. Scratch my name. Hold on. All right, that's good. Go. All right. All right, so the hood side is done. We got it all welded in and smooth. Got a little fine tuning to do, just shrinking here and there. Went ahead and added the tie downs. Now I can finish the gaps here. Jamie, my friend, is taping me here today. Jamie, why don't you maybe get a little close up here, kind of show what's going on. You can see, like I said, it needs a little fine tuning here and there, but I think it's come out pretty damn good. Made a bracket here because I'm not running any fenders on this car. Jamie, let me get an under view of that. I think it's pretty cool. Got a little detail I put on the bottom there. And that hood side is saved. So onto the driver's side next. That was it. Productive day. Time to watch Super Bowl.
Let's go.
All right, guys. Today we're going to work on the driver's side, hood side. This one was pretty bad. Colin, get a shot of here. The hinge is completely gone on here. On the passenger side, there was a little bit of hinge. I just had to repair a couple loops. This one was better on the bottom side here, which I used as a template to make my patch panels for the bottom. So this morning I've been working on making a new hinge. Colin, can you get a close-up of that? As you can see, I just used my brake, vise, hammer, and kind of made this loop in here, and get kind of a rough shape here. This will weld onto here eventually. So what I'm going to do next here is I got the hood top. I'm going to take this here, and we're going to notch it to fit into the hood top here. So I'll get that done, and then after that we'll get it fit into here and weld it in and get it hung on the car today. Okay, so I got the hinge made and tacked in place. So I cut it out to fit into the hood top. It's tacked and scribed. Now I'll remove it and cut it out with tin snips to get a perfect fit for TIG welding. And let's see, you can see, what does it say? So I wanted to show you that the hinge welded in. I didn't grind it yet, just wanted to make sure it fit on the car. But you can see I got it all TIG welded in. Need to finish hammering and grinding that tomorrow. But I just wanted to show that it does actually work like it's supposed to. So Colin, can you see up there all the new hinges? And there it goes. One step closer. Tomorrow we'll get that welded and, get that ground and hammered, and then we'll go to the bottom, put the bottom patch panel in, and get to save this driver's side. Okay, I've been working on the hood side patch here, and I wanted to show it lined up. I did a little more work, put the 1/8 inch rod in the bottom, and I got it straightened up a little bit more. It was a little wavy. I think it's a little bit better now. Not perfect, but pretty close. And you can see I lined up the body line here, coming off the cowl. I lined it up, which is a little bit different than the factory, but I figured I might as well line it up closer to perfect now. And I just tack it on there. You can see I have the dicum on there. So I'll pull this off the car now, and I'll scribe a line on there, and then I can cut it out and get it TIG welded together. All right, I want to show that I got the hood all ground and smooth. Did a lot of work, a lot of shrinking here. Maybe have a little bit more to go. This thing was really stretched out from all the years of who knows beating on it. So that's all fit. Got a little bit more to do here. The reason that I wanted to get the hood on is I want to make sure that it actually clears the motor, which needs to probably go back. You can see it's just kind of touching the corner of the valve cover here. So I'd like to get motor mounts built this weekend. So I'm going to finish the hood up, get the hold downs on this side, and just make sure the motor is going to clear. If I got maybe push it back like another inch, or if I had to, I could probably cut the corner of this valve cover off and weld it back together. So that's probably what we'll do here this weekend, but I wanted to show the hood done. Colin, get a good shot of that. You can see the hood doesn't look too bad for as bad as it was, and I got to use something that probably should have been thrown in the garbage.